So many errands today. Wala daw pala silang Gcash.
Happy goods. Salitin mo lang, sir.
He's crying. Ay, oo nga. Wala na agad. Thank you guys. Good morning. It's Tuesday. Something 9 a.m. Ito si Kuya Billy ng... Anong ganit tawag nito?
Kabitsi na bulan, sir.
Kumakain ba kayo nun? It smells good. Nandito din si Ate Steph. Anong tawag natin last time? Service area. Ang bahay ngayon guys, kay amoy daing. Which doesn't usually happen often kasi hindi kami bibili ni Moning daing talaga. Bang! Hey guys, so many errands today. Let's go. Hindi ko na sabihin kung anong gagawin today guys. Basta tignan nyo na lang. Kasi ang dami. Kani kay Nana diri ang iyang shade. Hello. Can I vlog? So guys, ito si Kuya Louie, one of the most talented people I know. Later year, Louie, happily. Got the goods. I'm at Unitop. I'm looking for a hose. Mili na din ako ng faucet kasi nasira ko yung faucet. Pwede na niya. Saan ka nag-park? Kukunin ko yung ano ko, yung go time kay wala daw pala silang Gcash. Thank you. Thank you. I have to pay for this first.
307 pa na.
Sure. Hi guys. Bayaran ko na. Yes. It's hot today. Pero okay lang. Pwede ko mag-video?
Okay, girl.
I found a new place to buy fruits guys kasi may Gcash here. I bought mango apple, grapes, and saging. They have so much fruits here. And they all look so healthy.
Got the goods. Let's go home.
I'm home. It's Monster. Ayun kay Kuya Balag.
Wala, sir. Gcash din. Pagkasat muna tayo.
Yung Gcash. Pakasal ko na.
Palam, sir ba? Salitin mo lang, sir.
Ito gulay oh. Ang dami. Mahal ba itong barangay kit? Paul? Ang asa to? Pumatay, ano man daw to Steph? Dahil nagana siya na. Ginignan na. Sabi niya na, ay, off muna natin to. Hey guys, it's 6:03 and it's Tuesday. I just finished cleaning. Say hi guys! Mag-hi kayo, dali! Moon's crying. Ito ba?
Kalbot ako tayo.
Siya sa movie guys. I don't know what this movie is, pero it's on Netflix.
Create yourself that are the best.
This is our usual weekend. No, this is our usual weekday night routine. We watch one movie and then we go to bed. But most of the time, si Mon lang nag-focus. True or not? True. Hmm? I don't know if you guys can see them, pero... So, what? Si White.
I never invite myself into a man's
Si Bonnie yata eh.
blindfold and on freaking saffron sauce.
Tabi namin. Ay,
While
si
begging
White
him not to go
and
to
si
San
Ate Pearl.
Francisco.
Dito ah? Okay. Good morning. It's Wednesday. It's Wednesday, August 5. It's a day before Mon's birthday. Tagal niya nakatulog kagabi kasi nag-coffee daw siya. So parang 1:30 na siya natulog. Linis lang ng mabilisan sa loob kasi mag-shoot ako kasi tomorrow birthday na ni Mon, diba guys? So ayoko mag-shoot bukas kasi gusto ko full day lang of just spending time. Spending his birthday. Tama ba? Spending his birthday. Making sure walang ginagawa aside from celebrating his birthday. Chill lang naman, pero alam niyo yun. I woke up very early. So yun, I have to clean, vacuum lang, wipe the floor, and then mag-shoot ako. So, it's 9:24. May tinatapos lang ako ng mga chores. Tapos, I'm waiting for... Kasi may chinat ako recently na nakita ko lang siya sa Facebook, nagre-repair siya. Tapos, pinick up niya yung mga pa-repair. Sihatid niya din. Although medyo matagal, pero let's see kung maganda yung gawa niya. Also waiting for Kuya Billy kasi pagka hatid niya, ihahatid na ni Kuya Billy sa LBC. Guys, these are just like the not so glamorous parts of our life, but I am willing to show you guys. So, ipapagpag ko yung mga dirty clothes. Ito also dirty clothes yan, pero napagpag ko na yan. Tapos ito lahat ng mga ipapalaundry namin. So what I like to do is pinapagpag ko siya kasi may mga buhok ng babies, buhok ng kids. So para lang hindi mahirapan si ate sa laundry, pinapagpag ko siya dito sa bahay.
Magluto ako ngayon ng vitamins.
Yes, I'm shooting and as in right now, lumilindol. Tingnan niyo yung paintings. Nagmo-move. I can hear the walls creaking. Hey guys, it's lunchtime and kakatapos ko lang mag-shoot ng teaser. Tapos na din magluto si Mon. Super sarap ng food. Ako talaga nag-request na tong ulam na to kasi I was editing the vlog yesterday. Tapos nung nakita ko yung ulam namin na yun, sabi ko, oh, sarap. I'll show you. And pork and kalabasa. Pero this time, dinagdagan ni Mon ng alugbate. Tapos nag-air fry din siya ng isang pork chop that we are gonna share. Kain tayo, guys!
Diyan.
Kain, guys! Itong pork na to, hindi namin siya binili sa mall. Binili namin siya, may barbecuehan kasi malapit sa amin. Tapos,
Binidyo ko mo.
ay, oo nga. Nag-vlog pala si Mon. Sabi ni Kuya Billy, masarap daw yung, okay daw yung cuts there. Tapos, wala. Nirecommend niya lang. So, tinry lang din namin. I added too much. Thank you, B. Sabate. Parang tagal ko na hindi ko sure. Pero, feeling ko, ngayon lang ako intentionally kumain ng alugbate. Hey guys.
Tigas. Hindi siya bangs.
Gets ko yung gusto mo na texture na alugbate. Sustansya din yan, di ba?
Spinach mo naman.
Gani. Good for the bones. Good for the muscles. Sarap. Good eh. Very good lunch.
Calcium. Vitamin A, vitamin C. Tsaka iron.
Ang alugbate.
Ayun, di ba kapag puyat ka?
Ito yung mabilis na siya mamosh. Crispy. Happy birthday to you. Bakit sabi na? Happy birthday to you. Bakit sabi na?
Kasi nag-record ka, tapos lumabas ka. Alam mo na naman ito.
Wala si Soba. Ako kasi may car hurt ako eh. Ay. Happy birthday, B!
Thank you.
Birthday wish list niya talaga to. It's a Quicksilver backpack. Kasi magagamit niya sa travel. Kasi ako meron akong Carhartt na backpack that I use. Tapos siya, lagi niya lang ginagamit yung mga old duffel bags niya.
Figure eh, pero lang din siya ulit.
Sakto.
Ano ba siya? Pakan care.
Pwede. Yeah. Cute. Bagay sa'yo, B. That looks so nice. Hello, candle, please. Yay! Happy birthday! Hey guys, it's 9:55 and we're eating cake. We're watching Friends and we're eating cake. This. Wait, masarap pala to na na flavor. Sova, ano ba yan? Ayan, pinagalitan ka tuloy ni Pearl. May dumadating pa. I'm just filming on my phone, guys. Punta lang ng barbershop, tapos uwi. Para ako magja-jogging sa fit. Pero kasi ang init, so gotta protect myself.
Vanilla chiffon, then may yema siya sa loob.
Okay.
Tapos ito, chocolatey talaga siya. Pero hindi siya masyado matamis po.
Yan.
At
Pero parang bet ko yan. Ikaw, personally, kung
masarap
papiliin
kasi,
ka.
moist cake kasi siya sa...
No? Sige, yan na lang. Parang amats ko rin siya. Buying cake from Milky. I got the... Anong ganito ate?
Cocoa man cake.
Got the Cocoa Man cake. I feel like Mom's gonna like this better than the one I bought yesterday. Got the cake, guys. Now we're going home. Sige lang, okay lang. Dito na. Guys, lumabas na si Mon before I could light a candle. Actually, siya yung nag-light ng candle. Happy birthday! Your second cake. Wish ka muna, dali. Wala na agad. Wish. Wee! Happy birthday!
Hindi ko
I'm leaving!
Ay, ano? Yung Chinese. Di break niya para lang kay Rachel. Di ba? Oo yun, mga girls.
Tulad ng salitang sa gitna tayo, ako sa iyong piling. Magkatabi pero malayo pa rin. Kahit kailan, sana tayo naman ay magkaulugan.
Ayan si Box. Tapos na si Mon maghugas ng plates. I'm just making my lemon tea drink. Tapos, look at this beautiful cake, guys, from Milky. You guys always comment about our ice holder. Sorry, ako ang nakasira dito actually. Pumunta dito kanina si Kuya Billy kasi inutusan namin siya. May papako akong damit and then siya na din pinagbili namin ng gulay and mga other stuff for chop suey. Also guys, do you guys watch Patrick Santos? We like playing him on the background when it's workday kasi wala, relaxing lang din yung ano and he's playing games and wala, nami-miss lang din namin yung PC namin.
Hello. Samahan niyo ako magluto ng chop suey. Yung ingredients natin, tangerine apple, chicken. So, start na mag-saute. na yung chop suey, pero pinag-over ko pa ata yung gulay. But I think, okay, masarap naman. Ito na yung chop suey. Medyo maraming sarap.
Hey guys, I'm not done shooting yet, pero it's lunchtime. And Mon made chop suey. I'll show you guys. He hasn't made this in a while. I don't remember the last time he made this, but it turned out really well. Tinikman ko na. Kain tayo guys. Kain tayo guys. We have shirataki of course. First subo is sa inyo of course. Kain na.
Lahat na yan.
Hindi pa. Hindi pa rest ko yung isa. Butter is also good today, which is nice. Kayo. Atay, tapos pugo, tapos rice.
Hindi, ano talaga. Sumalamig yung sa mga iba.
No? 5.
Tapos puro repolyo.
True. Ang term. I-experiment mo lang or kasama talaga sa ano. Guys, as soon as I... Ha? Ito. You're now a YouTube partner. As soon as I turned off the camera while we were eating, I received an email that we are now a YouTube partner. Yoo! Hey! So, I'm checking. And they showed this. Yay! Thank you guys. Super excited to explore. I definitely have not done my research yet, pero... Guys, I'm done shooting. Mon is... Nag-aasikaso si Mon ng sale. Ito yung bahay ngayon, guys. Basta shoot day, makalat talaga. Alam nyo na yun. That's okay. Medyo tired. Pero that's normal. Maaga kasi kami gumising. Talk to you later. I'm with Bonnie. Bonnie is so ugly. Hey guys, it's 4:37. Nagnap lang ako saglit. Mon is gonna leave for the gym in a bit. Tapos, nagmumuni-muni lang ako kasi mag-edit ako in a while. I mean, i-edit ko yung pictures na ipopost. Kukolage ko siya. Nakatulala lang ako. Paano yung tulala? Gay ka muna. Ha? May nag-comment sa last video na our spacebar has seen better days. Kasi guys, itong laptop na to, this laptop, I only bought this for online class nung pandemic. Tapos second hand lang to from my friend. So it's a very old laptop. It's a 2017 MacBook. Second hand pa siya. So ano na siya, like it's very old but it still works. So I don't see the point of getting a new one just yet.
Please at least trust me now. If that weren't enough, I'm always here and I always live these cycles.
The fat dog. Tataba. Tataba. So, if you are wondering ba't unti lang nung clips from Mon's birthday, it's because I transferred the files to my Osmo and I transferred the files from my Osmo to my phone and then it said done transfer. Tapos when I checked, wala pala. Tapos na-delete ko na yung files sa Osmo mismo. Although yung nakita niyo yung nasa phone, yun din lang din talaga ginawa namin. Although sayang lang. We hope you enjoyed this vlog and happy 6K guys. Woo! Hope you enjoyed this vlog and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Tulad ng salitang sakit na may
Maybe this looks crazy to you, and then
Alam
you
ko
use
pag
four times for
malayo
this. I just want to make
ako
sure.
sa'yo